Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Get Updater. Hello guys, this video is about the change of willingness. So you can change the willingness once if document verification is done. So now log into the portal, click on change willingness option. Now you can surrender the seat option would be present. So you can click on surrender if you wish to surrender and participate in the next round, or else other options also you can select if you wish to, but since you can float it 2 times, so click on float option if you are not satisfied. Now guys, click on view or download letters. There you need to download generated ODVC document. This is used for future communications. Thank you for watching.